I'm about to bring into existence something that has never been seen before. You may have heard from other artists to never draw from your imagination. Well, that's just plain crazy. Imagination is the source of all original characters and stories. In this video, I'm going to inspire your creativity. So sit back and watch me bring something into existence that has never been seen before. I start with a basic head shape. It's the foundation for any head.
Brow.
At this point, I still don't know what I'm going to end up with. But the more I add to the drawing, the more inspiration I get for other facial features.
Kind of creepy.
Like these big, full lips that complement the smashed up nose and the deep set eyes.
Big. And does he have a short chin?
When you draw from your imagination,
Or does he have a big chin?
use it as an opportunity to try things you've never tried before, because that's how you grow.
Let's give him a big chin.
You find out what works and what doesn't work.
That looks weird. I like this part. But this eye needs to come out a little bit more, doesn't it? Let's give him just little ears, but make it a little bit weird shaped, like it's underdeveloped. Maybe he's got a little hairline like this. Big, thick neck. See how I did that? I figured his head is probably coming right across here and back there. The center of his neck, huge muscle that comes down like that. There's lots of little muscles in there. What does he have? Maybe he's a little tired. This is very loose exploratory stage where you can see there's all kinds of scribbles and undefined areas in here. I'm just kind of figuring things out as I go. Let's give this guy some eyebrows. Oh, I'm gonna change his eyes so he looks like he's looking over his shoulder. Like, who's following me? Because they're gonna pay a terrible price when they start messing with me. He's a tough guy. Obviously, I wouldn't want to mess with this guy. Let's make this eyebrow a little bit more raised, like.
Well, hello, Mr. Tough Guy. Welcome to my world. I just made you. I want to finish this drawing with some inked lines and color. And I usually use a thin ink line, so this time I'm using a big fat brush to push me out of my comfort zone. To make things really thick, I push down harder.
I've turned the paper a little bit because it helps me to draw with the natural curve of my arm.
It's looking good. When the line work's all done, it's time to add some color. Boom, boom, bam, boom.
A bit of volume here. Just kind of blend these shadows in a little bit more too.
The eyes need to be lightened up, so I make a selection and adjust the brightness. The highlights are my favorite part of the illustration. It's when the character comes to life, and the final touches are these little white highlights that add some texture. Sweet! Pretty cool, right? This drawing has never existed before this moment. I hope that I've inspired you to practice so you can improve your skills, which makes drawing even more fun, which makes you want to draw more. If you like my videos, consider subscribing and definitely join the Sketchy Fan Club, link below, so I can send you free drawing tips, updates to new videos, and exclusive fan club content. Thanks so much for watching and stay sketchy. See you later.